Welcome guys. This video is how to read candlestick. It's basic video, but it was important for smart money concept. It's Bitcoin chart 1 hour time frame. Market taking inducement and creating one bullish candle, but market not create any order block. Market create one bullish candle, but it was sideways candle. Because this sideways candle not broken this previous bearish candle high and low. This candle moving this bearish candle inside range. So it was not our proper candle. Next bullish candle was broken this bearish candle high, waiting for market create any proper imbalance. This bullish candle taken previous candle low. So this candle taken previous candle low liquidity and waiting for market create any imbalance. The next bullish candle was closing this candle high. So it's a proper order block. The next bearish candle was mitigating our order block. And one more sideways candle because this candle not broken this bearish candle high and low. So it's sideways candle. The next bullish candle was closing this bearish candle high. So it's a proper order block. And our order block failed. The bearish candle was taken all the stop losses and all the liquidity. This type of candle is high probability because this candle taken liquidity, so it's high probability. Again sideways candle. The next candle was closing this bearish candle high, so it's proper order block. Next bearish candle was mitigate our order block. These two candles are sideways candles because this bullish candle high low was not broken, so it's sideways candle. The next candle was bullish and closing this big candle's high, so it's proper order block. These blue candles are sideways candles. The bullish candle was not closing this big candle high, only for sweep, not our proper order block. This bearish candle mitigating our order block. Market mitigating this wick. So mitigating this wick and lowering some downside correction. This wick was countered an extreme wick, this extreme order block. And one bullish candle, it's our proper order block with proper imbalance also. And market mitigating our order block and create one bullish candle. This bearish candle mitigating our order block. And these three bearish candle was sideways candles. All candles are sideways candles order block. There is no any order block. Everything is a sideways candle. So it's not our proper order block. One bearish candle, it's a shooting star. The next candle was closing this candle low. So it's a proper order block. But the market is bullish. So only looking for buy side order block is best. Again, market creating sideways candles, not any proper order blocks. This bearish candle high was broken, so it's our proper order block. Market mitigating this sell side order block and mitigating our buy side order block and moving upside. Again, it's our proper order block. Market mitigating our order block and create one order block. And this order block was failed. Market selected all the stop losses. These all candles are sideways candles. This bearish candle high was broken, so it's a proper order block. Market mitigating our order block. And it's our next order block. But you have seen this sideways candle was some long week, so maybe market mitigating this week. It's possible, sometime possible. This order block failed, market mitigating this week and moving upside. And it was sell side order block. It was failed because the market is bullish, so looking for only buy side. Market create one order block. Market closing breakup structure. Okay guys, you have read candlestick, this type of scenario. You have read candles, candle by candle to understanding market movement. Candlestick is important. If you read candlestick, you take many entries. Okay guys, thank you for watching.